Hey guys, a quick little update here on the German DAX. I got two charts for you and let's hop into that 15-minute time frame to start with. I was triggering that chart already like an hour ago. You see in red that rising bearish Wilbur wave wedge. It's not activated yet because it's missing a third touch here on that upper trend line, which runs presently at 14,244,245. So once it gets there, that thing is ready to fire to the downside. And just above there is that 14,258 level. It's my 100% target of that C. So what I count here is I see an A to the upside. So that's that up move from that low from yesterday. And we went into a B overnight, and then we are on our way up to a C now. And because these wedges, they also like to overshoot. So once they hit that trend line, it doesn't mean they go down straight away. They like to overshoot. And I think that C will even extend to the 138%, which is at 14,330, and that would still fit to that formation. It shouldn't get above 14,392. That's my absolute maximum level for C. And if it gets above there, then it's something else and we need to readjust. And you just have a look at these, the whole move from that upper move from that trough here from yesterday. It doesn't really look that strong. There isn't really like an intense move up. It keeps overlapping. And I keep showing you that example. It's something like this, and it doesn't really look like a strong market, or it doesn't look like that trough is in. In most cases, it get retested. And when we hop into that 1 hour time frame, I was talking about this wedge in my last video from yesterday. I cleared that up a little bit, so you see only that wedge, and you still see that these targets line from the other wedges, but I took them out completely. So you just have these targets line left over and that big blue one, because this one looks very smooth to me and very elegant, because we had already several confirmations on their target line, and even this morning we touched the lower trend line perfectly. So that's another really nice confirmation that this wedge is recognized by the market. And yesterday I was twittering that this A, B, C, we missed that 100% C target out by like 25 points, but I still think that's not it to the downside. I know I twittered that might be it, but because there are so many clusters here, I was missing out that 38.2 from that entire move up in March and waiting at 39.74. There's also another 161 extension from that first leg to the downside. And if you consider this as 5 waves to the downside, 100% target, if we move somewhere here in that 300, 330 area I was talking about, that would fit into that cluster here also perfectly. And I'm still missing that, we broke out of that area from these lows here yesterday, and DAX likes to reconfirm these breakout levels. So that's also at that 14,320, 330 area. And that would be a nice retesting area before we move down again. So that's it for DAX. Give me a thumb up, and I wish you all the best. And if I don't make a video for tomorrow, I wish you already a nice weekend. Have a good one. Thanks.